Ryan, integrative nutrition health coach and founder and owner of Plant. Today we're talking about protein powders. So as a health coach, people always ask, and people come into our stores and they always ask if we have a protein powder for them to use. In the past, we have not. Exciting news is that we are about to launch it in both stores in just a couple of weeks. So we will, coming soon, have a few different options for protein powders. However, this has been a super huge decision in the making for a long time. So I felt the need to do this video to explain to you guys why choosing a protein powder is so important, or why looking into it is so important, I should say. I don't think that we all have to have a protein powder. I think it's a good supplement option for when you need it. However, if you are going to do it, be sure to take the time to do the research. Look into what protein you're using, how it's sourced, how it affects your body, things like that. So these are just a few options that we're going to show you today. These two, the NorCal protein, is actually the brand that we selected to carry. So it's a fabulous company. They source everything from non-GMO farms in Canada, really clean, sustainable practices, and it's very, very clean. However, some of these other ones don't have quite the same story. So a whey protein, first and foremost, this option right down here, that's just a generic whey protein found at Sprouts. Whey protein is an inflammatory protein. So whey is a mucus producing food, meaning that after you exercise, whey is typically not the first thing you want to put into your body. So that is a really popular option for a lot of people because it does contain a lot of protein, I should say. However, it's not going to be the best fit for everyone. So just keep that in mind. Also, if you were to read the ingredients on here, we've got lots of ingredients going on. So it's not going to be the cleanest option. Spirochene by Nature's Plus. It's hard for me to talk bad about this one because it's actually one of my childhood favorites. My dad used to work for Nature's Plus, so I grew up drinking this stuff. While it tastes really good and it seems to be really clean, there's a lot of ingredients on here that we just don't really need. If you dissect that ingredient list on the can, you're going to see a lot of natural flavors, a lot of preservatives, a lot of stabilizers, fillers, kind of things that hold it together that aren't necessary. So it's just added work for your body to have to digest that, especially if you're exercising and you're wanting this as a recovery drink. Sun Warrior protein, this is actually a pretty popular option for people in the plant-based world. It's not bad. It's made from pea and hemp protein, but again, we're just going to see on that ingredient label, we're going to see a lot of added things that we just don't have to have. The cleaner, the less ingredients, the better. This, on the other hand, is just a simple pea protein from nuts.com. It's not a bad option. The only ingredient in it is pea protein. So again, not a terrible option. However, the only reason this didn't make the cut in terms of being selected for Plant is because of the sourcing. So again, once we took that extra step, did some more research, we found out that there's not a whole lot of data. We can't really find out where it's being sourced from, how the farming practices are getting this pea protein, how the processing happens, where the processing takes place, things like that. So again, that's why when we're looking at these NorCal options, we can know exactly where it's coming from, exactly where it's being produced, where it's being processed, packaged, things like that. So just as a reminder for all of you guys, when you're looking at a protein powder option for yourselves, be sure to do the extra research. Find the one that's a pea or hemp protein, a plant-based source, so it's anti-inflammatory, and then make sure you do your research to know where it's being sourced from and how it's being produced. So I hope this is at least helpful. I hope it steers you in the right direction. If you're looking for a good protein for you, be sure to comment below. Let us know your comments. I'm happy to help however I can. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time.